Clegg, not the only one thinking about rail. We've heard a lot about the possibility of having passenger trains return to Idaho.
Our Jake Garcia has more about the pitch made to state leaders Thursday and where we stand in the process.
Leaders from across the state heard a pitch today about the possibility of bringing Amtrak passenger trains back to the Gem State. How much will it cost and how long will it take before people are waiting at the Boise train depot ready to catch a train to their next destination? The Boise Metro Chamber brought local leaders and state lawmakers together today to talk about the future of rail service in the state.
There are two opportunities that Idaho has right now.
The first, Idaho can apply to a federal grant that would fully fund a study about what it would take to get passenger trains from Boise to Salt Lake City.
That'll be a year and a half maybe. We'll see what that says. And then everybody here will have much more knowledge about what it would take to bring service back.
The other, restoring old routes that used to be active, like the Amtrak Boise service that shut down in 1997.
The feds are also going to look at what it would take to bring that service back. So whether it's long distance service across the country or short distance service just down to Salt Lake City, there are opportunities that are here right now.
Though it would take years to get things up and running, local leaders seem to be in agreement. We talked with Caldwell Mayor Jerem Wagner about discussion with other local leaders in the Treasure Valley.
We are working together. We don't see this as pitting, one city or community against another. We know that we all have to work together. There was discussion today about how long is this going to take, and it's going to take a few years. But I believe we've knocked a few years off just because of the talk we've already had as cities.
Governor Little speaking at today's event saying he has signed on with local leaders in this process.
That opens a lot of doors, and the funding's there. It's already been approved. So that's the great thing about it, is this isn't something we're hoping for or wishing for. The funding has been approved. It's out there, billions of dollars in that regards across the country.
Applications for this federal study are due in March. In as little as a year's time, local and state leaders will know how much it will take to get the rails ready for passenger trains, if approved.
The time to step up is right now.
In Boise, Jake Garcia, Idaho News 6.